This award-winning blue ribbon chili is a hearty and flavorful dish that combines ground beef, kidney beans, and a secret ingredient, salsa, to deliver a rich and satisfying meal. Ingredients: 2 pounds ground beef, half a medium onion, chopped 2.5 cups tomato sauce, 1 15-ounce can light red kidney beans, drained and rinsed, 1 15-ounce can dark red kidney beans, drained and rinsed, 1 8-ounce jar salsa, a 1/4 cup chili seasoning mix, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, half a teaspoon garlic salt. Preparation instructions: in a large non-stick saucepan over medium heat, cook the ground beef and chopped onion until the beef is browned and the onion is translucent, about 10 minutes. Drain excess grease if necessary. Stir in the tomato sauce, both cans of kidney beans, salsa, chili seasoning mix, black pepper, and garlic salt. Reduce heat to low and let the chili simmer for at least 1 hour, stirring occasionally to allow flavors to meld together. Serve hot, garnished with your favorite toppings such as shredded cheese, sour cream, or chopped green onions.